Hi, I'm Paul, owner of ShinyWing, European specialist for Honda Goldwing parts and accessories. Today we're going to bring you on a tour of our shop where we carry a large range of accessories to cover all Goldwing models. Whether it's the new Goldwing you have or the very old 1000 Goldwing, we have something to fit. We carry chrome accessories, lighting accessories, audio accessories, we've got luggage, bags, covers, we carry luggage racks. We also have a range of products from Honda, air filters, oil filters, Honda accessories including brake caliper parts, brake parts, alternators, anything you need for your bike to maintain it, to service it, or just dress it up and make it individual, we have it.